Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss trigonometry, class 10. In the previous video, we have seen defining the trigonometric ratios. In this session, we are going to discuss trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Click this I button to learn Introduction to Trigonometry and learn from exercise number 1. Let us see trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So here, what are the angles? 0 degrees and 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. This all we are discussing the angles. So trigonometric ratios we are discussing about the angles of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. First of all, we are discussing trigonometric ratio of 45 degrees. So how we have to define the trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees. So let's see here, we are taking as one isosceles right triangle. Isosceles means you know, two sides are equal, then the triangle is called right isosceles right triangle. Here we are taking as this is 90 degrees. Angle B at 90 degrees. ABC is a isosceles right triangle. So here AB and BC we are taking, A units we are taking. This is A units and this is also A units. So here we don't know the hypotenuse. So we need to find the hypotenuse. How we need to find the hypotenuse? Here ABC is the right triangle. So ABC is the right triangle means we need to use Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal side square plus side square. So here you can take triangle ABC is isosceles right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle at B. So we are taking at B, we are taking as right triangle, right angle. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal side square plus side square. So what is hypotenuse? So hypotenuse is here AC square equal, one side is AB, one more side is BC. So means AB square plus BC square. So AC square equal AB square. What is AB? AB is A, means A square plus BC. What is BC? A units, means A square. A square plus A square, 2A square we are getting. So AC square equal 2A square. This square you can transpose AC equal under root 2A square. So now we can write individual, we need to write the root. So root 2 into root A square. Square root get cancelled. Means we are getting AC equal root 2 into A units. So here this value we got it root 2 into A. Now we need to specific angles we need to find. Trigonometric ratios we are finding. So already we know the three sides of the triangle, right triangles. So that is sine 45 degrees. What is sine? Opposite side to angle 45. Opposite side to angle 45 degrees. Otherwise, you can take here angle 45 degrees. Here this is the 45 degrees and this is also we are getting 45 degrees by length of the hypotenuse. Length of the hypotenuse. So, what is the here we are taking here 45 and here 45. So here I am taking as C at the center, I am taking C, and acute angle I am taking at C. So at C means, so this is the opposite side. So this is AB by hypotenuse is AC. So AB by AC, AB value is A by AC value is root 2 into A. AA get cancelled. That equal 1 by root 2. So sin 45 value, how much got it here? 1 by root 2. Next, cos 45. What is cos? Adjacent side to angle 45. Adjacent side to angle 45 by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side here? With respect to C only I am taking, this is the BC is the adjacent side. So BC by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. BC by AC. What is BC? How much here? A units. A by AC is root 2 into A. So AA get cancelled, that equal 1 by root 2. So cos 45 also we got it here 1 by root 2. Next, tan 45. Tan 45 degrees. So what is tan? Opposite side to angle 45 by adjacent side to angle 45. That equal. So with respect to C only I am taking here. So this is the A is the means AB is the opposite, adjacent side is BC, means AB by BC. So what is AB? What is the length of AB? A by BC. Length of BC also A. A get cancelled, that is 1. So tan 45 equal to 1. Next, cosec. Cosec 45 degrees. What is cosec? Hypotenuse by opposite side to angle 45. So hypotenuse by opposite side to angle 45. So in this hypotenuse, what is hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse. So AC by opposite side. What is opposite side with respect to C only? This AB is opposite side. AB. That equal AC. AC value is root 2 into A by AB value is A. AA get cancelled. That is root 2. So cosec 45 equal root 2. Next it is sec 45. Sec 45. Sec. What is sec? Hypotenuse by adjacent side to angle 45. So what is hypotenuse in this figure with respect to angle C? Hypotenuse is AC and adjacent side is BC, means AC by BC. So AC value, length of AC value is root 2 into A by BC value is A. A get cancelled, that is root 2. Next one it is cot. Cot 45. So what is cot? Cot, adjacent side to angle 45 by opposite side to angle 45. So adjacent side to angle 45 by opposite side to angle 45. So from the figure, with respect to C, what is adjacent? BC is adjacent. BC by opposite is AB. AB. So BC length is 1 by, BC length is A by AB length is also A. AA get cancelled, that is 1. So once you have to see here, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, tan 45 is 1, cosec 45 is root 2, sec 45 is root 2, tan cot 45 is 1. So this is the trigonometric ratios of 45 degrees. Next it is 30 degrees and 60 degrees we have to see. Let us see trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Both values we are finding one figure only. So here you can construct one equilateral triangle with sides are 2a units. Each side is 2a units. ABC is the equilateral triangle and each side is we are getting 2a units. Now draw a perpendicular bisector of angle A. Here equilateral triangle means all angles are we are getting 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Here also this is 60. But here we are taking angle bisector. Angle bisector, this is 30 degrees we are getting. Here also it is 30 degrees. This AD. So this total length is 2a units. B to D is a units and D to C is also a units. A plus a 2a. We are getting 2a units. So here AB equal to AC equal to BC we are taking as 2a units. We draw AD is the perpendicular bisector of angle A. Now here this AD is bisecting here angle and this side BC also bisecting the BC side also. Now you can take, so now this triangle ABD becomes right angle triangle, ABD becomes right angle triangle and ACD it is also become right angle triangle. So here for example in triangle ABD, this side we know, here hypotenuse also we know, but we don't know one side. So we can find this side. So here in triangle ABD, so angle D equal 90 degrees. Angle D equal to 90 degrees. This value is 90 degrees. A right angle triangle in one angle is 90 degrees means we can use the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal side square plus side square. By Pythagoras theorem only this one. What is hypotenuse? AB square equal one side is BD square plus one more side, this is AD. As it is, square as it is. What is AB? The length of AB is 2a units, means 2a whole square. What is the length of BD? A units, means a square plus AD square. So 2a whole square means 2a into 2a. 2a into 2a, that is 4a square. 4a square equal a square plus AD square. So this a square you can transpose to left side. So we are transposing means 4a square minus a square equal AD square we are getting. 4a square minus 1a square, that is 3a square equal AD square. The square you can transpose to left side. What we will get? That is root. So under root of 3 into a square equal AD. Therefore AD equal root 3 into root A whole square. That square root get cancelled. AD equal root 3 into A. So what is AD here? Root 3 into A is the what we AD, length of AD. So what is AD here? So the AD is root 3 into A. This is the length of AD. Now we need to take sin 30 and cos 30 like that. 30 degrees only we are, angle 30 degrees only I am taking now. Next I will take 60 degrees also, angle 30. So sin 30. What is sin? Opposite side to angle 30. Opposite, short form I am writing. Opposite side to angle 30 by hypotenuse. By hypotenuse. So sin 30, here it is making the angle 30. So this 30 opposite side, what is there? BD. BD by hypotenuse is AB. AB. That equal A by AB value is 2A. AA get cancelled, that equal 1 by 2. So sin 30 we got it 1 by 2. Next, cos 30. Cos, what is cos? Adjacent side to angle 30 by hypotenuse, length of the hypotenuse. So adjacent side to angle 30 I am taking as ADJ by hypotenuse, HYP. So in this, what is adjacent side? AD is the adjacent side. So AD by hypotenuse is AB. AB, that equal. So AD, what is the value of AD? Root 3 into A by AB value is 2A. AA get cancelled, that equal root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Now next, tan 30 degrees. Tan, what is tan? Opposite side to angle 30 by adjacent side to angle 30. Opposite OPP by adjacent, that equal opposite side, 30 degrees opposite side is BD by adjacent side. What is adjacent? AD is the adjacent. AD. So BD value we know, that is A units. AD value now we got it, that is root 3 into A. AA get cancelled, means 1 by root 3. So tan 30 equal 1 by root 3. Next, cosec 30. What is cosec? Cosec means hypotenuse by length of the hypotenuse by opposite side to angle 30. So HYP by opposite. So what is hypotenuse here? AB is the hypotenuse by opposite. What is opposite? BD is the opposite. So AB means 2A by BD value A. AA get cancelled, that equal 2. Next, it is sec 30. Sec means hypotenuse by adjacent side to angle 30. So hypotenuse by adjacent. So what is hypotenuse? AB is the hypotenuse by adjacent. What is adjacent? AD is the adjacent. That equal AB value is 2A by AD value is root 3 into A. AA get cancelled, that equal 2 by root 3 is the sec 30 is equal 2 by root 3. Next it is cot 30. What is cot? Adjacent side to angle 30 by opposite side to angle 30. Adjacent by opposite. So what is adjacent? AD is the adjacent by opposite is BD. That equal AD value is root 3 into A by BD value is A. AA get cancelled, that equal root 3 is answer. So once you have to see here, sin 30 equal 1 by 2, cos 30 equal root 3 by 2, tan 30 equal 1 by root 3, cosec 30 equal to 2, sec 30 equal 2 by root 3, cot 30 equal 3. This is the only angle of 30 degrees. Next, in this triangle only we have 60 degrees also. In the equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. So here this is the bisector angle, that's why we got it here 30 degrees. Now we can take 60 degrees one. Angle 60. So sin 60 equal sin 60. So here it is making the angle. This triangle ABD triangle I am taking. ABD triangle in angle B equal to 60 degrees. So 60 degrees means 60 opposite. AD is we are getting now opposite side. BD is the adjacent side and AB is the hypotenuse we are getting. So sin 60. So what is sin 60? Opposite side to angle 60 by hypotenuse. So opposite OPP by hypotenuse. So what is opposite? AD is the opposite side to angle 60 by hypotenuse is AB. That equal root 3 into A. AD value is root 3 into A by AB value is 2 into A. AA get cancelled. That equal root 3 by 2. This is sin 60. Next, cos 60. What is cos 60? Adjacent side to angle 60 by hypotenuse. So adjacent side, what is adjacent? BD is the adjacent. So adjacent side to angle 60 by hypotenuse. So adjacent is BD by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AB. That equal BD value is A by AB value is 2A. A1 means 1 by 2 we are getting. Next, tan 60 degrees. What is tan? Opposite side to angle 60 by adjacent side to angle 60. Means opposite side to angle 60 by adjacent side. So what is opposite? AD is the opposite side to angle 60 by adjacent side is BD. So that equal AD value is root 3 into A by BD value is A. A get cancelled, that equal root 3 is answer. Next, cosec 60. What is cosec? Length of the hypotenuse by opposite side to angle 60 degrees. So hypotenuse by opposite side to angle 60. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AB by opposite is AD. That equal AB value is 2, A by AD value is root 3 into A. A get cancelled means 2 by root 3 is answer. Next, sec 60. So what is sec? Hypotenuse to angle 60, hypotenuse by adjacent side to angle 60. So hypotenuse by adjacent side to angle 60. What is hypotenuse in this ABD triangle? So AB is the hypotenuse by adjacent is BD. That equal 2A by A. A get cancelled, that equal to 2 is answer. Next, last one it is cot 60 degrees. What is cot? Adjacent side to angle 60 by opposite side to angle 60. So adjacent side to angle 60 by opposite side to angle 60. So what is adjacent in the figure? BD is the adjacent by opposite is AD. That equal BD value is A by root 3 into A. A get cancelled, that equal 1 by root 3 is answer. So once again repeating this all. Sin 30 equal 1 by 2. Cos 30 equal root 3 by 2. Tan 30 equal 1 by root 3. Cosec 30 equal 2. sec 30 equal 2 by root 3, cot 30 equal root 3. This about the angle of 30 degrees. Next here, angle of 60 degrees. Sin 60 equal root 3 by 2, cos 60 equal 1 by cos 60 equal 1 by 2, tan 60 equal root 3, cosec 60 equal 2 by root 3, sec 60 equal 2, cot 60 equal 1 by root 3. So next it is 0 degrees and 90 degrees is left. So we will discuss about the 0 degree. Let us see trigonometric ratio of 0 degrees. So now we can take the right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. So here it is A, B and C. So here acute angle I am taking at A I am taking. Acute angle how much we need to take? 0 degrees. 0 degrees means this hypotenuse becomes like this. So this is the A, B. So actually this we are getting C. This is C. But we are taking 0 degrees, we are making the 0 degrees means this AC becomes like this, means we are getting B1 or B dash. B1 only you can take. Next, we need 0 degrees, we need 0 degrees means AB as it is only you can take. So this is the point C, this is B, this is C1, here to here this is B1, next here this is C2, this is B2. Here now again we are taking means we are getting like this. This is A, B and C we are getting. Upon only 1 upon 1 we are getting like this. So actually triangle is like this we are getting. So this is the triangle. So this is the triangle. So this we are reducing means we are getting this AC line coincide with AB. AC line coincide with AB. So AC line coincide with AB means this BC value we are taking. BC equal, here we are getting 0. BC value we are getting 0. Here angle also 1 upon 1 like this it is. Actually here it is making the angle. Here it is making the angle. Means here 1 upon 1 means it is making the 0 degrees. 1 upon 1 means we are getting angle A equal 0 degrees. Angle A equal 0 and this length of AB equal we are taking some units, R units I am taking. Some units I took, that is R. Now you can take first one, it is sine 0 degrees. What is sine 0? Opposite side to angle 0 by hypotenuse. Opposite side to angle 0 by hypotenuse. So what is opposite? BC is opposite. Here according to the 0 only we are taking here. So BC is opposite. By hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. So here AC also you can take. AC and AB both are you can take R units only. So isosceles triangle we took here. So that equal BC. BC value how much here? BC value is 0 by AC. AC value is R. So 0 by R. 0 by R. 0 by something value always it will be 0. Next second one, cos 0 degrees. What is cos? Adjacent side to angle 0 by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to angle 0 by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side here? AB is the adjacent by hypotenuse is AC. So AB value is we took here R units and AC value also R units. R1 means that is we are getting 1. Next third one it is tan 0 degrees. What is tan? Tan is opposite side to angle 0 by adjacent side to angle 0. Opposite by hypotenuse. adjacent. So what is opposite? BC is opposite, by adjacent side is AB. So BC value already we took 0, by AB value is R. 0 by R, 0 by something value always it is 0. Next, fourth one, cosec 0 degrees. Cosec 0 degrees. Cosec 0 degrees means hypotenuse by opposite side to angle theta, angle 0. Hypotenuse by opposite side to angle 0. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC by opposite is BC. So AC value how much we took here? R by BC value how much? BC value is 0. R by 0. Something by 0 means it is not defined. Or we can take infinity also. We can take infinity or not defined. Next, fifth one it is sec 0 degrees. What is sec? Hypotenuse by adjacent side to angle 0. Hypotenuse by adjacent side to angle 0. Hypotenuse by adjacent. So what is hypotenuse here? AC is the hypotenuse by adjacent is AB. AB is the adjacent. So AC value how much? AC value is R by AB value also R. R by R, that equal 1 we are getting. So sec 0 equal we are getting 1. Next, last one it is cot 0 degrees. Cot 0. So what is cot? Adjacent side to angle 0 by opposite side to angle 0. Adjacent by opposite. So that equal, what is adjacent here? AB is the adjacent by BC is the opposite. So AB value we are taking as R, BC value is 0. So something by 0 means it is not defined. Means it is infinity or not defined. So once again repeating, sin 0 equal 0, cos 0 equal to 1, tan 0 equal 0, cosec 0 equal infinity or not defined, sec 0 equal to 1, cos 0 equal to not defined or infinity. Next it is, we are going to discuss 90 degrees. Now, trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees. Now we need to construct a right triangle. So, this is the right triangle. So here we need to get here 90 degrees. At A we need to take 90 degrees. So if we are taking this one 90 degrees means this is, if we are making the angle means we can get like this. We are taking like this means we are getting here angle is increasing means that figure becomes, this is actual figure, this is C, this is B, this is A. So we are increasing the angle means we are getting like this. So this is B1, this is C1. Again we are taking means we are getting, this is B, C, A. This is C1, C2, B1, B2. Next time we can get, again we are taking 90 degrees means it is A, it is C, and this B becomes here only. This B also we are getting here only. So this, it is becoming to A, it is nearer to A we are getting. So first B, then next B1, B2, B3, so on we are getting. up to A. So A and AC and BC, here BC is there now. So AC and BC we are getting coincide. So AC and BC we are taking as R units we are taking. Here angle A equal to 90 degrees, we are making the angle is 90 degrees, and AB equal, so length of AB, A and B both are now coincident points, means we are getting 0 units. So A and B both we are getting here only. So here AC and AB equal to 0. Now we can take sine 90 degrees. What is sine? Opposite side to 90 degrees by hypotenuse. So what is 90 here? BC is opposite according to the, with respect to angle A, acute angle we are taking as A. So BC by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? AC is hypotenuse. So BC value is R, AC value also we took R by R, that equal 1, R1 the R1 the. So sin 90 equal 1. Next, cos 90. What is cos? Cos is adjacent side to angle 90 by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to angle 90, ADJ by hypotenuse. So ADJ what here? AB by hypotenuse is AC. So AB value is 0 by AC value is R. 0 by R, that value we can get 0. Next, third one, it is tan 90 degrees. What is tan? Opposite side to angle 90 by adjacent side to angle 90. Opposite by adjacent. So what is opposite to angle A? BC. By adjacent side is AB. So BC value how much we took here? R units by AB value is 0. Something by 0 means it is not defined or infinity. Not defined or infinity we can take. Next, fourth one, it is cosec 90. What is cosec 90? Hypotenuse by opposite side to angle 90. So hypotenuse by opposite side to angle 90. Hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? AC is hypotenuse by opposite is BC. So here AC value is R. BC also we are getting R. R by R, that value we are getting 1. Next, fifth one, sec 90. What is sec? Hypotenuse by adjacent side to 90. Adjacent side to angle 90. So hypotenuse by hypotenuse, adjacent. So hypotenuse is AC by adjacent is AB. So AC, what is AC? AC value we took here R by AB value we got it 0. Something by 0 means we are getting not defined or infinity. Not defined or infinity. Next, last one, it is cot 90. What is cot? Adjacent side to angle 90 by opposite side to angle 90. Adjacent by opposite. So what is adjacent? Adjacent is AB by opposite is BC. That equal AB value is 0, BC value is R. 0 by R value is we are getting 0. Once you can see here, sin 90 equal 1, cos 90 equal 0, tan 90 equal not defined or infinity, cosec 90 equal 1, sec 90 equal not defined or infinity, cot 90 equal 0. These all are trigonometric ratios of various angles. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60, 90 degrees. we have seen trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. In the next video, we will see same type of problem, that is trigonometric ratio of specific angles in the tabular form or table form. Do comment if you have any clarification on this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.